السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. How to clear formatting in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel offers plenty of styling options to customize your spreadsheet appearance. If you ever need to remove your formatting, however, it is easily to do so. For boot select cells and you enter worksheet. Clear formatting for select cells in Excel. Select cells, go to Home tab and menu, click to clear and click to clear format. Note: clearing formatting only remove the style of your text. Your actual text is retained. Clear formatting for all cells in Excel. You can remove formatting from your entire worksheet. At once, to do so, first launch your spreadsheet with Microsoft Excel. Undo spreadsheet screen, press Ctrl plus A in Windows to select your entire worksheet. Okay? In Home tab and a menu, click to clear and clear format.